here's my Build-A-Boat CPU. Over here is our deep storage. Here's our RAM. These are our memory bus handlers. These are just all of our core processes. We have bit shift. We have a few of these. The main thing is, here we are. So this is the Fibonacci sequence. At least we're gonna start off here. It's gonna be obviously 1 plus 0, and then it's gonna send their answer to this guy. So like a way to think of it is, let's say I'm sending a signal directly into it, but theoretically it would have been, there's a 1 stored here, there's a 0 stored here. We add 1 plus 0, boom, that gets us 1. Okay, and now let's add 1 plus 1, and we put the answer here, that's 2. Oh, what about 2 plus the 1 in here? Oh, that gets us 3. What about 3 plus, and then that would be, I think the starting, oh no, it'd be 3 plus the last one, so that'd be 3 plus, what was this, 2, so that'd be 3 plus 2, and then that answer gets put here, and then that plus that, and it should be sent into here. So ideally, it should look something like beep, 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 oh, sorry, beep, 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 and then 1, but like, you know what I mean, 1, and then should be beep, beep, and that plus that would be beep, 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 and then those two plus each other. I don't really care at that point. I forget what it was. It's like, what is it? Carry to 1. Okay, hold on. Alright, let's actually just compute it real quick. So we carry to float. We carry it again. We carry it again. And beep. It should be 4. But I'm pretty sure that would be sent to this one. I just want to do like a full circuit, and I think it's going to end around here, right? So here's my code that makes that happen. Each one of these is a memory. So these are memory handlers. So they handle each stage of, so they allow us to write to the RAM. This one allows us to write to the output RAM. And then also reset the RAM before use and all that. So that's kind of, yeah, all the memory management's over here. And then we have all of our states. So in this case, we have state 1, which would just be adding A plus B. And in theory, in the future, I can just copy paste all this part and then just hook it back up to itself, wire it up, and it just can just keep going forever. It would be an infinite Fibonacci sequence. But I'm just doing this as a kind of a demo here. So without further ado, it should work. So let's run it, and then I'm going to turn off this. Right now I'm setting the bit directly into the channel. It's not storing in memory. That's just because I'm lazy. Yeah, let's just run it. Alright. I'm turning off this bit now that we have something in memory, so it can add 0 plus 1. Okay, 0 plus 1 is 1, that's correct. And then 1 plus 1 should be 2. Should be 2 over here. Correct. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. Let's see 3. Yup, and then that it should equal, what is it, 5? Plus 2 is 5. Yeah, baby! There we are. Fibonacci sequence in Build-A-Boat. Let's go.